God has a message for you today. If anyone serve me, he must follow me, and where I am, there will my servant be also. If anyone serve me, the Father will honor him. Because your heart was tender, and you humbled himself before God when you heard his words against this place and against its inhabitants, and you humbled yourself before me. And you tore your clothes and wept before me. I also have heard you, says the Lord. Blessed is the one you choose and bring near to dwell in your courts. We shall be satisfied with the godliness of your house, the holiness of your temple. For we are to God the fragrance of Christ among those who are being saved and among those who are perishing. Nevertheless, he did not leave himself without witness, in that he did good, give us run from heaven and faithful seasons, filling our hearts with food and gladness. So now, brethren, I command you to God and to the word of his grace, which is able to build you up and give you an inheritance among all those who are sanctified. Type Amen if you believe.